Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is JV Lennox, and today we are going to do the how to make your belly bloat go away and actually get some health benefits along with losing some weight. Oh my gosh, and it's actually worked because it's actually been doing a very big number in how I've actually lost some weight. I've actually been on a weight loss journey myself. I've lost 20 plus pounds, and don't get me wrong, it actually does work. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of coffee and some lemon. So let me start off. So we're going to get a regular ordinary lemon, favorite preferred coffee. Now we're not going to add any sugar. We're just going to go ahead, start chopping that lemon up real quick, and we're going to have only a fourth of a lemon. Go ahead and pick out your favorite coffee mug. Of course, Gardner State Park is my favorite. Cool little kickback spot to go ahead and go chillax, get away from everything out here in Texas. Highly recommended. Go check it out for yourself. Now, my self-made nice little shirt that I'm showing off today. So we're gonna go ahead. We are going to use our nice handy dandy little almost Keurig today. Now we're gonna scoop in some of our HEB Cafe Olay medium roast Texas pecan. Oh, it is so good and it smells so delicious. Oh my gosh, and then when this roasts, so good. Now, I am a barista, coffee specialist actually. So when I heard this, I had to try it. And so I'm highly recommending it for you too. Now, the shirt does no justice for me sideways or front ways, but I do like the whole logo, and it's just so about me and my whole new thing that I'm doing right now and what I've been doing for these past so many years. And I just gotta flex it. So thank you for joining in with me today. So we're gonna put in a couple teaspoons. This is a nice little cup that I'm gonna use. Go ahead and, like I said, add your coffee. This is not instant coffee. Let's see. You can either use a capsule or you can use ground coffee and go ahead and put it inside of a little cup. Whatever your preference is. Now go ahead and add you some water. Now this resembles a Keurig, but it's not necessarily the Keurig kind of model. I can't think of the model right off of my head. But the whole point is just to be able to show you exactly how to do it. Again, we're not using any kind of dairy product. We are not going to be using any kind of sugar. No honey, no additives. It's just completely coffee and lemon. So many health benefits, but one thing I do highly recommend is do not, I repeat, do not wear all these acids on your teeth all day. So, if you are going to be doing this for your advantage of weight loss, stomach bloat, for the taste, for your morning cup of joe, just to get you out the door, and for just the wonderful benefit, it will slim you down. And there's no joke, no doubt about it. It is everywhere, and I'm sharing my journey with you. So it worked for me, and I'm hoping you're going to try it. Share it, like, follow, subscribe. I'm showing you something that it's going to work. Trust me. Now, don't keep it on your teeth. Brush your teeth right after. These acids will wear your teeth down. So, even though it has many health factors for your gut health, there is a lot of acids that can wear away your teeth. Coffee, we all know it stains them. So go ahead and just go do a quick little brush up and get these things off your teeth. Oh my gosh, look at it don't hurt to go and do a quick little scrub. And meanwhile, yeah, you see this? They're still there. So I'm looking out for you with this and with these. Gotta keep it all looking good. Come on now. So, I can't wait. Gotta have a nice little cup of gel. So, yeah, I think if you do a full half of a lemon, I believe that might be a little too much. So we're gonna do half of a half. Nice little squeeze them, and that is just plenty, just plenty. So again, out here in Texas, we have HEB. We don't have no Seymour. We ain't got a lot of. We do not got a lot of Albertsons, Safeways. We don't have things that a lot of other people would have in other states, you know, that are more common. Out here we have HEB and Walmart. So this is an HEB product. It's Texas pecan. It's cafe au lait. Super, super, super good. Highly recommend it. I'll put a link down below. Of course, you can shop and get some. Highly recommend it. The smell is amazing. The taste is outstanding. You have to get it. You will love it. And again, lemons, you could pick them off a tree. You could go ahead and buy them. Do what you got to do. Grow them. Yeah, they're that good. So, just so good. So good. Yes. But this is also a juice cleanse for your stomach as well. Another form of it. It works. It works. I'm going to keep on giving you videos and keep on showing you how on everything that has been so helpful with me and on my journey and what's been working for me. Now, I wouldn't mislead you. I just want to go ahead and help you out. And when you grow, I grow, we grow together. So keep in mind of that. Now, oh my gosh, it's just so delicious. It smells so good. Oh, you gotta try it. Now, mind you, this has nuts in it. So if you have a food allergy to nuts, I'm telling you, there's nuts in it. It's a pecan coffee. It is a medium roast. So I'm warning you, there is a food allergy in it. Don't say I didn't warn you. Now, oh my gosh, it's almost dead. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, you gotta try it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I haven't been this excited for coffee in a while. Maybe it's because, oh my gosh. I don't know. I like it just a lot. Yeah. So, let's see. Okay, here. So, we're gonna go ahead and give it a good squeezing. Ooh, don't splash on my shirt. Do not splash on my shirt. We can't do those juices, not on this. No. Now, not everybody's a big fan of, you know, they're like, no, I gotta have me some sugar. I gotta have me my milk. I gotta have me my cream and all that good stuff. Okay, well, yeah. Well, some people have a lactose intolerance. Some people can't handle all that. And some people are trying to, or some people just are trying to slim down just a little bit so the way they can fit into something for an event coming up the following week. This, I guarantee you do this for at least 1 week, you will have your results by the next week. So, go ahead and put it to the test. Now, let's see, go ahead and bring all these juices out. Yes. Go ahead, give it a mix. 1, 2, 3. I like to hear the jingle. Ah, so good. Yes. Now, I can smell the pecan. I can smell the citrus. Everything about that is just so embracing and just makes you want to just float. Oh my gosh, yes, so refreshing. And again, here, let me have the park showing. So that way you can go and adventure there too. Plenty of rock climbing, hiking. The water's so clear you can see to the bottom. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Souvenirs. So, oh my gosh, it's so hot. Oh, yes. I need this in my life right now, and you do too. I know you do. Like, follow, subscribe, and to go ahead and try it. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Perfect. Perfection. Try it. You won't regret it. Thank you for tuning in. Again, thank you for visiting with me and coming to my channel. Keep coming back.